Family, welcome to your favorite cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you one quick fix way I do my octopus, cuttlefish, squid, whichever one you want to use. This is one quick way to go about it. So if you've not yet checked how to season your seafood, you can check it out on my channel. I also have one on cuttlefish, how it is caught live, how it is, dressed, and then how to clean and season it. So I'm going to show you one quick way of going about it. If you don't want to fry it, deep fry, you want a healthier version, this is one way to go about it. And it's simple. All you need is your cooking oil and a bit of peppered oil. So what I do sometimes is to soak my coconut oil in some fresh powdered pepper. Yeah, so when you have powdered pepper and put the oil on for a long time, it soaks the pepper in and you get that peppered oil. And usually I store it in the fridge to keep it for longer. So I'm just mixing the fresh coconut oil with the peppered oil because peppered oil is very hot, to reduce the pepper kick in there. And this is great for, your octopus. So this is pre-seasoned in there. And usually when I buy fresh, I try to season and I keep it in the fridge. So it saves me cooking time whenever I want to do something like nice or something, pampering. Yeah, so all you do is to just chop it into cute sizes. And this is the tentacle part, which most people don't like. When you do like this, it's tasty and it's nice, and you can still enjoy it. So all I'm just going to do is to put it in my pan and then just be tossing it around to make sure that every part of it cooks perfectly and to give me that golden brown look. That's what you're looking out for. If you do this for too long, if you cook these items for too long, they become a little too gummy. So usually you can just pan grill it, maximum 10 minutes, but usually 7 minutes is cool with it. So the maximum you can do is like 10 minutes. And you need a fair amount of heat. So medium heat is also good. If you're using low heat, you may have to go like 12-15 minutes. But then if you're using medium heat, within maximum 10 minutes, you should be done with it. And you get that golden brown look and it's going to be well cooked. And because it's also pre-seasoned, it's not raw. And so you're going to get more vibes in. I'm not a fan of making it raw because when you make it raw, sometimes it's a bit nauseating in there. But when you pre-season before you work with it, you get more well cooked and then nicely smelling seafood, which you can easily enjoy it. And I enjoy mine with a lot of onion because I love onion. You can chew this fresh like this. If you get some etel banku or bibi na Suzanne and that's some say basa. So this is my simple pan grill seafood recipe. I'd really love you to try, especially for people who are afraid of the deep oil frying. So if you don't want to bake it, which is also my channel, or you don't want to do deep frying, this is one quick way to go about it and enjoy with your gakomi or your eba or your etel or dokon mezi bia above for cream pepper. So until I see the next food video, do live life to the fullest, be joyous, be merry, lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.